into the picture.
Thank you.
What's going on, guys? We're back with Adrian's
Anal
vlog.
beads.
We're getting a POV of him driving. So,
Jesus Christ.
y'all want to see how bad Adrian is as a driver? Here y'all go. See, he doesn't even like, he throws bags at people. Doesn't even know how to use blinkers properly.
That's a micro USB.
Oh wait, there's another one inside them. Sorry. There's another one in there that's USB-C.
Hey Cameron, you want to open that bag and put that back in there and find a unique thing?
You want me to grab this real quick?
I got it. POV driving.
You can open this and then just have there's a mount over there.
Wait, do you actually have a mount on your driver?
What? Like a suction cup mount? Yeah, yeah. You can do a suction cup mount.
No, but I thought you saw. Oh, you mean it's in the back? I thought you meant
It's in the back seat.
on the car. Take a left.
When we start driving, oh wait, hold on. We gotta drive it like this.
Oh.
So I don't think we actually started off this vlog today like
Yeah, dude.
all that. Well, you did it like super random. I was just like, it felt like you were just scaring everybody. But yeah, so we came over to see Elijah has issues with his 328i, so he wanted to buy a new car. So he saw this Prelude, so he wants to buy that. So I told him, all right, let's go, we'll check it out. But the guy doesn't really want us to drive it. It's not mine. He doesn't want us to drive it really. So he's gonna take Elijah for a ride in it, and we'll just see how it goes, how it feels like it. Yeah, but he doesn't want to drive it. Like, he's like basically going, we'll drive it to one place and then stop and switch. But Elijah doesn't want to drive it either because he said he doesn't know how. He says he hasn't driven manual in a while. I clearly don't know because I own an automatic car. So, yeah, we'll see if he enjoys it, see if he likes it. But
we'll see if he comes back or not, because you know,
well,
who knows.
I think the car has too many issues.
Yeah, it does have a lot of issues.
The paint, he said the paint was good.
But
the paint's not good.
Not good. Yeah.
There's many.
There's many imperfections.
And
it doesn't seem like it's worth it.
Yeah, he's like, oh no, it's like it's been resprayed, it's been like it looks good and whatnot, but then you show up in front, there's cracks in one place, there's like stripped off paint on the hood, and then the
wiring harness, you have to replace that. The speed sensor is not working as a check engine light.
Yeah, and he wants
ABS
$5K for it.
On. Yeah.
Yeah, we said no, it's just better if he like just not get it at all.
Yeah.
Honestly, for me, I would give him the money that he's asking for if the car was like 100%.
Yeah, perfect. But he's not. Yeah,
I mean, even though there's issues, like let's say he said like the clutch is one thing, but then like also the front brake pads.
Back here, vehicle speed sensor, the connector was I even have the old one so you can see how bad it was. But the wiring was corroded between that area. I cut it to where I can splice it, you can kind of see it.
Yeah, I spiked it, but I forgot to turn it on.
Wiring, not the whole thing, but just a piece of it was too far gone. I ended up actually buying a whole new wiring.
So Elijah's thinking about buying this Prelude SI with 4-wheel steering.
Yeah, it goes with the car. I don't have no use for it.
Oh, it's so quiet.
Why are they honking? So why'd they honk?
Maybe they know him.
Maybe about 10 minutes, it'll just, the light will come.
No.
Have fun.
Tell him to come back.
He just never comes back. He gets lost. He got kidnapped. This isn't really the guy's home. Just for some reason has all this stuff here. Dun, dun, dun. I'm like waiting for him.
Can you go swimming?
I don't know.
In the little pool or something? What?
Kiddie pool? Yeah. I didn't really got back in Rockwell. I was like, I don't know. I pick up Cinco.
Oh, we have to pick up Cinco before we go back to Rockwell?
Well, because he wants to do his radiator. If you guys see me change radiator, not my car, but yeah. Oh, look at this. I know that, but hold on, let's see. Oh, you can tell. I don't know if the camera picks it up. That thing, it rides so tall. I accidentally clicked it. Okay, go.
So this is one that's clean, and this is what one looks like after a month of him driving and never cleaning his car.
Okay, so
There's
this
like-
is what
y'all
he
see
just cleaned
Y'all see
today,
that? I just cleaned this, and this set hadn't been touched.
and this is like 2 weeks of not washing my car.
You also see he doesn't care about his car, his brake stuff.
Well, that's because the wheels keep hitting it and they bump it out. I fixed this once.
See, like, look at this. His whole windshield's dirty.
It's always dirty.
Never cleans his car. Doesn't take care of the paint. That's why there's swirls all over it. And
Dude, the one thing I want to do is paint the front bumper again. Because whoever sprayed it
just
first.
wrap it and then paint it after. I say wrap it.
Sponsor my wrap.
No, can't do
No,
that.
there you go,
I
see?
can't even afford it.
You can afford the labor, but you can't afford the wrap?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Full send.
I thought that was done already.
If you need someone to blame.
This guy. Oh, dude, look at this residue when I took off the sticker from here.
Yeah.
And I don't know, should I keep this or should I just take it off?
Take it off.
I'm kind of wanting to just take it off already.
Take it off.
No lie.
How mad would you be if I just like...
Then if you take it off now, you have to take off the other side, and then you also have to clean it.
You don't have to clean it, you just have to take it off.
No.
The sticker, I guarantee won't leave any residue.
No, as in like, you'll have a clean outline.
It doesn't matter, your whole car's filthy. Like,
You're gonna wash it?
One of your wheels is clean and one isn't. Your wheels are dirty. I don't think you ever care about that right now.
I do, but I don't care about it enough. Because I don't have my own place to wash it at.
Yeah, how sad. He doesn't come and visit us enough.
I just don't, I feel rude, like just being like, hey bro, let me show up to like wash my car.
I don't care.
I already feel bad that when I showed up to like Elijah's house twice to be like,
To work on your car.
yeah, and then just,
Everyone knows.
I feel bad for doing that.
Why?
Because it's like, I appreciate it that you guys let me do that, but it's just like, I don't like doing it because it's kind of weird. Hey.
Should fix that.
Well, if you wrap it, this comes off and then
You need to redo it.
or hear me out. We get a new
Oh yeah, 'cause you
APR
can wrap
wing.
over this dent.
I know.
Just fix it first.
I bought it like that though.
Can I have your third brake light?
It won't fit yours.
Yeah, I know.
It won't fit your
I'll
Camaro
modify it to
RS
fit.
S ZL1.
2013, 15.
Yeah. Whatever it is. It's a Gen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah,
9,
you
10.
should tint these two.
Oh, no. I'm gonna...
'Cause those are yellow.
I keep forgetting, but I gotta order it and get the LED sequential ones. Or I think they're just LEDs.
I don't think they're sequential.
Okay.
There's nothing to be sequential.
Alright then, we'll keep you guys posted whenever Elijah comes back and we'll see what he says. Well, we gotta go back to your house, right, Elijah?
Gas station. Here.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah,
Are you recording my drive? Why are you recording the driving?
Fuck, I need a car.
You're gonna have... So I'm just dropping off Cameron and Elijah because we saw the car, and again, it's just a couple issues here and there. Today was just more like a random day vlog as well. See you guys in the next one. Bye.